Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, so to do it simply press the touch sensitive button right here on the bottom of the screen. Like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you should see the watch face option. Tap on it to open the watch face menu. And here, you should be able to scroll through the menu, through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. But because apparently we have only one watch face on the device, we can only select this one. So we can tap on it and then tap on the check mark to apply it. So once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it and apply it, or confirm and apply it. But for some reason we have only one watch face on this device, so we can't scroll through the list at all. Okay, that's how you change it on the device itself, on the smart band. But if your band is paired with a phone, you can always do it via the app, and there you have more options when it comes to watch faces. So we can open the Zap application on our phone that is paired with our smart band. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select the Amazfit Band 2 from the list of devices, and here you should see the watch face settings. Wait until the band is done syncing with your phone. And once it's done syncing, you can tap on watch face settings. And this will open the watch face settings page, and here you have a couple more watch faces as you can see. And you can select one by tapping on it, tap on sync watch face, and it's gonna get basically synced to your smart band. And once it's done, you will see it applied on your watch face, or rather on your smart band. Okay, and that's how you change the watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.